In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious chicken breast and oven recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breast cubes, 3 eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 tomato slice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of basil, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. In a bowl, we're going to add in the cubed chicken breast and season with half the salt, half the pepper, basil, and the paprika. Add the oil and mix until completely combined. Set aside for later. In another bowl, add in the eggs and beat until smooth. Season with the remaining salt and pepper. Add in the sour cream and continue beating. Add in half of the mozzarella cheese and mix until thoroughly combined. Add this mixture over the chicken and mix until they're completely coated. Place the mixture in a baking pan. Top with remaining cheese. And the tomato slices. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Our chicken breast in an oven recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.